Okay, we kick things off with a 40-point decline on the Nifty and about so it's in sync. The decline on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty right now is absolutely in sync. 0.25% down on both of those indices. Mid caps have started out slightly positive. Where is the lag coming from on the large cap space? BPCL, Coal India, SBI. These are some of the PSU names, the large cap PSU names that have started off with some profit taking. Then you've got Infosys, which is starting a little lower. HCL Tech is down, as is HDFC Bank. So banks, again, are responsible for some of the ease off in the morning. Kotak is down about 0.5% as well. So banks subdued, some of the PSUs looking at profit taking. That's how it's playing out. And IT also on the weak side as we kick things off. TCS is down, for instance, about 0.2%. On the flip side, Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports, some of the Adani stocks are looking good. Reliance has reacted positively, about 0.2% up on Reliance, but it's a little quiet, you'd have to say, just around 50 points lower on the Nifty. But I guess we can't complain, given the year and the week. This is perhaps par for the course.
The mid-cap index is absolutely flat to begin trade with some of the stocks which are in the news. Saturn Credit Care opens with a gain of 4%. They've entered into a co-lending agreement with Karnataka Bank. Realtel has a gain at opening 3% higher after bagging an order worth 120 crore from the South Central Railway. RBL Bank, Federal Bank are some of the stocks on the banking side which are higher after RBI has given a nod to RBI Pru AMC and Pru to acquire further stake in these banks. On the losing side, ICICI Lombard is under pressure, 1.5% off the bat lower after it gets a tax demand and a penalty notice amounting to 1,900 crore rupees. Fairly sizable, and the stock it has opened with a cut of about 1.5%. So these are some of the stocks which are in the news. On the losing side, apart from that, you've got oil marketing companies. So we spoke about BPCL, but there are cuts on HPCL and IOC too, 2.5% lower. And this follows a 17% gain that we've seen for oil marketing companies in the month of December. Some of the PSU banks are seeing some cuts. So Bank of India is one stock on our radar. On the gaining side, you've got a Kalpataru project, smart 8.5% up move on that. EIL is seeing some buying, and Hootco is in the green. No big gains, but at least the gains of the last couple of days are very much intact there.
Okay, well, it's a down day. It's a down start, rather. I mean, we're down about 60 points now on the index. 21,717 is where we find ourselves at. Take a look at the Nifty Bank. A quick look there, and I think it should be following what the Nifty is doing as well. About a third lower. So just a few other names in the broader market. So the big volume-led gainer this morning is Sona Comstar, which is coming up with a 2.5% gain. Stocks at about 646. There is Mazgaon Dock, which is coming up with 1.6% gains, 2,321 in Mazgaon. Kalpataru, Rima mentioned. Kalpataru, by the way, we have the management joining us a little later on the show. 715. It's got large volumes at this point in time. Azad Engineering, which is the listing from yesterday, ended 30% higher. That starts another 4% in the green, with stocks past the 700 rupee mark once again. IEX starts about 2% higher. Venus Pipes, I mean, that's another name. There's a new initiation on Venus Pipes. Stocks up 6%, 1436 on that one. There is Aarti Industries, which is up about 2% or so. So this is the volume-led list that we want to get to you. Tata Consumer is up about 3% as well now, and it's got decent-sized volumes. Market breadth is, I mean, I think it's settled now. 900, I think 1,000 up, 900 down is the kind of picture. HP, which went up 10%, HPCL, which went up 10%, is down about 2.5%. BPCL is down 2.6%, and IOC is down 2%. So oil marketing, that is seeing a bit of cool off. It's been a frenzied run in the oil marketing pack that we've had. And there is India Mart, maybe we can look at, which is down a little bit as well. And Go Colors, I think we mentioned this. Go Colors is down 6%. Stocks at about 1,212 rupees or so at this point. So that's the overall picture. Market down about 60 points. We'll come back with more names in a bit from now.